Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add headings and text to your Sway created on the microsoftsway.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website, and after that tap on this plus icon below the this box and tap on heading 1. Then you should add your heading. You can emphasize it, as you can see, accent it. If you want to, you can also add the body text. You can add bullet points, numbers, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.